In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Powered by Shopify text on the Dawn theme in Shopify. This simple process can give your online store a more professional touch by removing branding that might not align with your store's identity. First, it's crucial to know why you might want to do this. By removing the default text, you're giving your store a unique finish that reflects only your brand. But don't worry. If you're not very tech-savvy, the steps I'm about to show you are straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right into it. We begin our journey at the Shopify homepage. From there, navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Online Store. This action will lead you to a new menu with various customization options for your store's themes. Once you've clicked on Online Store, locate the three dots next to your active theme. This is typically found on the right side of the theme's name. Clicking these dots reveals a drop-down menu. Here, select the option labeled Edit Default Theme Content. This option allows you to modify various content elements within your theme, including the footer text we're targeting today. Now that you've entered the default theme content editor, you will see a search bar at the top. Type the word Powered into this search bar. This will filter the content, directing you to the specific section called Powered by Shopify. When you spot it, click on it, which will highlight the text. Here's the crucial part. To remove it, simply hit the space bar on your keyboard. This clears the text, effectively removing it from your theme. Once you've made that edit, make sure to save your changes. You'll see a Save button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click it to ensure that all the modifications you made are stored. After saving, let's head back to our Dawn theme to see the changes in action. Go back to the main theme page and refresh it. Upon refreshing, you should see that the Powered by Shopify text has vanished, leaving your store with a clean, personalized appearance. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to give your Shopify store a tailored look, free from default branding. Remember, while this change is mostly cosmetic, it adds a significant polish to your store, setting it apart and infusing it with your unique identity. Thanks for following along today, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!